I would describe Energy Systems Group as a great partner. They're a very reliable company. Communication was excellent. It was absolutely seamless.
Professional, incredibly knowledgeable. The expertise that Energy Systems Group brought to the table was unparalleled. We really felt from the day we met them that they were going to be partners in this work.
I found them to be extremely honest and straightforward. They built that trust with us. Trust goes a long way.
The other aspect that hit it out of the park for us was their commitment to students and student learning. I would have no hesitation whatsoever in recommending a partnership with Energy Systems Group.
With over 30 years of experience transforming schools, Energy Systems Group is your partner for efficient, affordable, and impactful infrastructure solutions. Join us today to make a lasting impact that will inspire and educate your community.